गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डिवीजन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर। रैशनल numbers. Under this, suppose we have to given here two rational number p by q and r by s, where p by q is divided by r by s and r by s is not equal to 0. Then इसको सोल्व कैसे करेंगे? This p by q write down as it is, dividation sign convert into multiply, and the next value that r by s write over here the multiplicative inverse of r by s, that s by r here, and multiply the numerator with numerator ps and the denominator by denominator qr here. For divisibility there are two notes. Note number 1, that divisibility of a rational number by 0 is not defined. Not defined means it's not solved here. See here, p by q when divided by 0, it does not exist. And the second point is here, that when 0 is divided by any rational number is always 0. That is 0 divided by any rational number, take p by q. So 0 divided by p by q, we always get answer is 0 here. So on basis of that, there are some properties. Now number 1 property is here, closure property. Closure property tells us if p by q and r by s are any two rational number, numbers such that r by s is not equal to 0, then p by q divided by r by s is always a rational number. That is, set of all non-zero rational number is closed under division. So see here one example. Suppose two rational number are here, 2 by 7 and 5 by 3, where 2 by 7 is divided by 5 by 3. So simple steps here. Firstly, write down 2 by 7 as it is, convert division sign into multiply, or we know when we convert division into multiply sign, then next value will be reciprocal 3 by 5 here. Now numerator multiply with numerator, 2 3s are 6, and denominator multiply with denominator become 35, is also a rational number. Now after that, our next property is commutative property. Commutative property. For division, commutative property does not hold good here. We can say p by q divided by r by s and r by s divided by p by q are not equal to each other. For this, we can take one example here. Example is here, suppose we have to show that minus 4 by 5, 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 not equal to 3 by 7 divided by minus of 5 by 4 here. So under this solution, firstly take left hand side, that is minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7. Again same procedure, firstly divide convert into multiply, so next value will be reciprocal. Now numerator multiply with numerator, 7 5s are 35 and under multiplication minus plus become minus and 4 3s are 12. This is the value of our left hand side. Now find the solution of right hand side. 3 by 7 divided by minus of 5 by 4. So it become 3 by 7 divide convert into multiply. So it become minus 4 by 5. See here मैंने यहाँ पर minus 4 by 5 लिखा है. तो क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि see here minus 5 by 4 or reciprocal of this 4 by minus 5. When I multiply this minus 1 by minus 1, then it become minus 4 by 5. It means minus takes on same place, just reciprocal of this given rational number here. Now solve this, we get minus of 12 upon 35. So see here, left hand side or right hand side both are not to be equal. So as left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 not equal to 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 4 here. Now next property is here, associative property. Associative property. Now अब तक क्लियर हो चुका होगा कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी को प्रूव करने के लिए वी नीड 3 रैशनल नंबर्स हियर. सो इट मींस वी कैन से सपोज P by Q, R by S and T by U are 3 non-zero rational number. Non-zero rational numbers की जीरो नहीं है. Then we can say P by Q divided by R by S and this value again divided by T by U, or P by Q is divided by the division of R by S divided by T by U. Here these are not to be equal here. So simply as I solved commutative property, in same manner you have to solve this associative property by taking any example here. Next one property is here our role of 1. Role of 1 means what is the role of 1 or number 1 under division. So we can say here a rational number divided by 1, when divided by 1 is the rational number itself. कि कोई भी रैशनल नंबर जब 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर में क्या आएगा? इट इज एज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो एग्जांपल सी हियर, P by Q divided by 1, then answer is also our P by Q here. Or 7 by 9 divided by 1, then it become here 7 by 9 as it is. But see here, but when 1 is divided by a rational number, 1 is divided by a rational number, then it become its reciprocal of this rational number Q by P. This is the important thing, keep in your mind here. Now after that, next property, when a rational number divided by itself, then what happened? For this, look at one example. We know that when 2 is divided by 2, So we get 1 here, or 7 is divided by 7, we also get 1 here. Similarly, when a rational number, suppose 2 by 3 is divided by same rational number, then also we get here 1 here. Now after that, one note keep in your mind, that a rational number divided by its additive inverse results in -1. That is, suppose a rational number is p by q and its additive inverse is minus of p by q. It means when p by q is divided by minus p by q, our answer will equal to -1. For example, 2 by 3 divided by minus of 2 by 3. This is the example. See, same manner. Firstly, divide sign convert into multiply. So next value will be reciprocal. It become 3 by minus of 2. Where 3 cancel with 3, 2 cancel with 2 here. So what is remain? 1 by minus 1 here. So negative sign is denominator and we have to make negative as denominator as positive sign. So -1 multiply with both numerator and denominator. So it become -1, downside 1 ones are 1. So -1 by 1 it become -1. That's our answer. Now on basis of that, look at here one example. See here this example. The product of two numbers is -8 by 9. Two numbers, rational numbers, product is -8 by 9 and one of the number is -4 by 15, and we have to find the other number. So for this problem, we have to let the other rational number be x here, and one number is already given here, one number, that is -4 by 15, and it's both of these product is equal to -8 by 9. Product means here one number is multiply with product, that is one number multiply with other number is equal to -8 by 9 here. Here one number is -4 by 15. Other number we already let it here, that is x. So right here x is equal to -8 by 9 here. Now see, this -4 by 15 is multiply with x here. And we know that when any value we transpose from one side to opposite side, its symbol will be changed. So -4 by 15 multiply here, then its opposite side it will be divided. So x, how to write this? X equal to -8 by 9 as it is. Write division sign and divide by -4 by 15. Now solve this. -8 by 9 convert division into multiply. So next value will be reciprocal. -15 by 4 here. Now solve this. X. Check here. Is there any value to cancel? So we found 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 here. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. Minus become plus. So what is remain? 2 by 3 into 5 by 1. So x is equal to 2 fives are 10 by 3. So the other rational number is equal to 10 by 3. That's our answer. Now see next example, that by what number should 5 by 3 be multiplied to get the product as minus 5 by 11. For this problem, solution. So by what number? You have to let the number be. Let the number be x here. So it means the number x is multiplied with 5 by 3 to get the product. Product means their solution will equal to minus 5 by 11. So do here same procedure as previous we have done. So x is equal to, now 5 by 3 multiply here, transpose this value, opposite side it will be divided. So x is equal to minus 5 by 11 divided by 5 by 3. Now convert division sign into multiply. So next value will be reciprocal. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What is remained here? That minus 1 by 11 into 3 by 1. Multiply this. Minus 1 multiply with 3, it become minus 3. 11 multiply with 1, 11. So the number be minus 3 by 11. When this minus 3 by 11 multiplied by 5 by 3, we get the product as minus 5 by 11. Now see here this example. By what number should 2 by 3 be divided to get minus 4 by 5? Now in this type of problem student may do this type of mistakes. So listen carefully. क्या कह रहे हैं कि by what number should 2 by 3 be divided? कि 2 by 3 से क्या नंबर डिवाइड करें कि हमें minus 4 by 5 मिल जाए. So let the required number be. Let the required number be x here. So 2 by 3 divided by x to get means equal to minus 4 by 5. Now after division x is written here. So when we transpose this x to there, it become multiply x here. बच्चे यहां गलती क्या करोगे आप कि 2 by 3 को उधर ट्रांसपोज कर दोगे. बट अगर इसको देखो तो ये किस फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है? 2 by 3 whole divided by x here. So minus 4 by 5 here. So by the cross multiplication method we found here only x is multiplied with minus 4 by 5. So understood this. After division sign will be multiplied on other side. So we have to write here 2 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 5 multiply with x here. बट मल्टीप्लाई वाले सम में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम यहां नहीं आएगी, किसी वैल्यू को हम उधर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. बट डिवीजन वाले के लिए ध्यान रखना है कि डिवीजन के बाद वाला जो वैल्यू है वो ही ट्रांसपोज करना है और उसका साइन हमारा चेंज हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में. सो नाउ सी हियर. अब नाउ minus 4 by 5 यहां मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो अपोजिट साइड जाकर ये क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड साइन में. इट बिकम minus 4 by 5 और x राइट डाउन as it is here. Now convert division sign into multiply. So it become reciprocal. I write here minus 4 by 5 equal to x. Now cancel this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is remaining here? 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 2 equal to x, or numerator multiply with numerator. We get minus 5 and denominator multiply with denominator we get 6 here equal to x. So implies value of x is equal to minus 5 by 6. That is our required number. So on basis of that do this assignment 1E, and if you face any problem then comment me in my box. Thank you and have a nice day.